Welcome to part 1 of assignments in Moodle. In this video, we're going to look at how to create an assignment in Moodle. By setting up an assignment, you're creating a place where students can upload a file or multiple files, and these can be Word documents, spreadsheets, images, audio files, or videos. Through your assignment, you'll be able to leave feedback for your students by inserting comments, uploading files such as marked assignments, or even uploading audio feedback files that you've recorded. Once you're inside your course, start by turning editing on in the top right corner so that you can make changes to your course. To add an assignment to the third week of my course, I'll click on the section and then click Add an Activity or Resource. When I click on Assignment, you'll see a brief description of an assignment display on the right. Since I know that this is the type of activity I'd like to insert, I'll click Add at the bottom of the screen. I'll title my assignment Assignment Number 1, and in the description I'll write instructions for this assignment. Since I don't want to display the instructions for this assignment on my main course page, I'll leave this box unchecked. I can either click the Add button to locate a file on my computer, or I can drag and drop files into this middle section. Scrolling down, you can now set the dates for when you'll accept student submissions, what the due date is, and what the cutoff date is. In Moodle, students can continue submitting assignments until the cutoff date, so you may wish to make the due date and the cutoff date the same. Further down, you can determine the type of file you'll accept from students. Due to the nature of my assignment, I'll leave this set to File Submission. I don't want students submitting multiple files, so I'll leave the maximum number of files each student can upload set to 1. If you'd like to have the ability to provide feedback comments for each student, you can check this box. If you'd like, however, to mark up student submission with comments and upload these files, check the Feedback Files box. Depending on the type of files students are submitting and how you'd like to give feedback, you may wish to change the comment inline to Yes. If this is enabled, the text from student submission will be copied into the feedback comment field, which may make it easier for you to grade. I'm going to switch this to Yes. Further down are some additional settings around submissions and notifications. Within the grade section, you can set the type of grade students will receive, the grading method, so if it'll be entered as a simple grade, or if you'll be using a rubric or marking guide. You can also input what grade students need to receive in order to pass this assignment. And within the activity completion section, you can decide whether you'd like students to have the option to manually mark the activity as completed, or you can show this assignment as completed only when certain conditions are met. I'm going to check both of these boxes, since I want students to submit this assignment and receive a grade for the assignment in order for it to be marked as completed. If you're ever unsure about what a setting does, you can always click on the question mark to view a more detailed description of it. Once you're happy with the settings for your assignment, click Save and Display at the very bottom. A summary page will appear, summarizing basic information about this assignment, including the number of submissions that have been made at this point in time. I'll then go back to my main course page and turn editing off. Feel free to continue on to part 2 of this topic, where we'll look at how to view and grade assignment submissions.